Mediterranean Hummus Nachos. This delicious recipe of nachos is a Mexican food dish made of fried tortilla chips, topped with cheese and a variety of other ingredients, such as meats, vegetables and sauces. Ingredients for making Mediterranean hummus nachos: ground beef or grilled chicken, pine nuts, salt, pepper, baked pita chips, 1 cup prepared tabbouleh hummus, tomatoes, chopped sliced ripe olives, minced fresh parsley, minced fresh mint, chopped red onion. Cook the beef in a small skillet over medium heat, breaking it into crumbles, for 4 to 6 minutes or until it is no longer pink. On a serving tray, arrange pita chips. The remaining yogurt, the beef mixture, tabbouleh, hummus, tomato, olives, parsley, mint, and, if like, the onion should be layered on top. Serve right away. A Middle Eastern spread, dip, or savory hummus is created with cooked, mashed chickpeas combined with tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. Ingredients of hummus: sesame seeds, chickpeas, olive oil, rapeseed oil, cold water, garlic clove, lemon juice, salt. Add the lemon juice and garlic to the hummus, and blend, season with salt. Fresh herbs, nutty bulgur, and finely chopped vegetables are the main ingredients in the vibrant and nutritious Middle East. Traditionally, herbs make up the majority of the salad. It makes a delicious and nutritious side dish. In a large bowl, whisk together the oil, lemon juice, garlic, cumin, honey, pepper, and remaining 3/4 teaspoon salt. Add the bulgur, cucumber, tomatoes, mint, parsley, and scallions. Toss well to mix all the ingredients. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, live your nutritious